Welcome! In this video I will show you how to check specifications for your LENOVO G70-35 laptop. So to see your laptop specifications, let's go into Start menu, then open Settings, then go to the System Settings and scroll all the way down to About section. So right here you'll be able to check all of your device's specifications, device's name in the Windows, processor, installed RAM, memory, device ID, product ID, and all kinds of stuff. But if you want to check your specifications in real time, you'll have to right-click the taskbar, then select Task Manager, and then open a performance section right here, and here you'll be able to check what kind of CPU, memory, RAM memory, disk memory, Wi-Fi, and GPU you have on your laptop. And you'll also be able to monitor them and their activity, their capacity, and sometimes also their temperature, like in case with GPU. And that's all for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.